Okay, so we're gonna put what we're dividing by on the outside, and then we're gonna have 740 and 3. So we'll draw pictures of that with our base 10 blocks. So for our hundreds, we'll just draw big squares. And then we'll just draw lines for our tens and units. And then we're gonna circle groups of 3. So we were able to make 2 groups, but this is the hundreds place, so we're gonna put 200. Whatever's left is gonna move over. But we had to break it up because hundreds can't go into the tens. And then we're gonna circle groups of 3 again. Okay, so we were able to make 4 groups, but this is the tens place, so that's gonna be 40. We have 2 tens left that we're gonna move to the ones place. Okay, so we're gonna circle groups of 3 again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups with 2 left over. So our answer is 247 with a remainder of 2. The same problem, but this time we're gonna do it without drawing the pictures, but we're still gonna use the values. So we're gonna put this in expanded form. Okay, so then we'll ask ourselves how many groups of 3 can we make with 700? We'll be able to make 200 groups. Since I know 3 times 2 is 6, I know 3 times 200 is 600. That leaves me with 100 left. I'm just gonna move over here. So that'll make that be 140. I know that I'll be able to make 40 groups, which will give me 120. Subtract that out. That'll go over to the ones place. And then the closest I can get to 23 is times 7, which is 21. That leaves me with 2 left. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same problem again, but this time we're gonna do it with just the digits. So I tell my kids that I'm getting lazy, and then I know this is the hundreds place. I know that's the tens place and the ones place, so I'm just gonna write the digit instead of the whole value. So 3 times 2 is the closest I can get to 7. That gives me 6. And then what's left goes to the next place value. 3 times 4 gives me 12. It's the closest I can get to 14. That 2 is gonna go over to the next place value. And then 3 times 7 is the closest I can get, and that gives me 21. So then our answer is not in expanded notation anymore. It's just written as a regular number.